All right, the last step here is to add what we've done the past 2 days and add them together. So we're going to start with an equation. So right here we have the equation y equals 3x, and we're going to create the input-output table for it, and then we're going to graph that. Okay, so just like last time, I'm going to pick numbers that make sense. So I'm going to pick 0, 1, oops, 2, 3, 4. Those numbers make sense. Since we're multiplying, we want to keep our numbers small so that they fit on our graph. Okay. Again, if you don't need this process part, you don't have to do it, but I'm going to still do it for this one just so that we have it. Okay. So we're doing 3 times our new x value, which is 0. So 3 times 0 gives us an output of 0. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next one. So we're going to do 3 times our new x value is 1. And 3 times 1 gives us our output of 3. We're going to keep going. We're going to do 3 times. Our x value this time is 2. So 3 times 2. And 3 times 2 is 6. Then we have 3 times 3. 3 times 3 gives us 9. And then our last one, we have 3 times 4. And 3 times 4 gives us 12. Okay, so now we have all of our x values right here on the left. And then we have all of our y values right here on the right. Okay, so now we can graph those. So our first one is that x is 0 and y is 0. So I'm going to take a dot and I'm going to put it at 0, 0. Our next one is that x is at 1 and y is at 3. So we're going to start at 0, we're going to go to 1, and then we're going to go up to 3. So 1, 3. The next one is x is 2 and y is 6. So we're going to start at 0 and go to 2. Then we're going to go up to 6. Okay, the next one is y is 3, x is 3 and y is 9. So we're going to go to 3 on the bottom, and then we're going to go all the way up to 9 at the top. And then our graph won't let us go to 12 at the top because it is too tall. Our graph only goes to 10. So we don't need to worry about that last one there. We'll just leave that one alone. So we have enough of our graph here that we can see. All right, and then we're going to look at this one down here. Too far down. Okay, so again, we have the input-output table there, and we're adding 2 to it. So again, I'm just going to pick 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those seem to work for us last time. So we're going to put those in the process. So instead of x, I'm going to put our x value, which is 0. So we're going to say 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so we're going to keep going along here, keep chugging along. So now we have, instead of x, we have 1, and 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, this time our x value on here is 2. So we're going to do 2 plus 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. And our next one is our x value is 3. So 3 plus 2, which is 5. And then our last one down here is 4. So 4 plus 2, which is 6. Okay, now again, we're going to graph them. So we're going to look at our x values, which are over here on the left, and our y values, which are over here on our right. Okay, so x is 0, y is 2. So we're going to go from 0 and then up to 2 here. Okay, and then x is 1, y is 3. So we're going to start at 0, we're going to go to the right 1, and then up 3. The next one is x is 2 and y is 4, so we're going to go to the right 2, and then up 4. And then we're going to go 3 and 5, so we're going to go to the right 3, up 5, and then the last one is 4 and 6, so to the right 4, and up 6. And that is all you have to do for this one. So go ahead and go to do your assignment for today.